Electric vehicles are becoming more and more prevalent nowadays. Now, if you haven't seen one in the shop already, chances are it'll show up someday soon. So let's walk through some of the functions we have in the scan tool to help you out with these electric vehicles. All right, so this is a 2020 Jaguar I-Pace. This is a fully electric vehicle. Now, you need to remember, most electric vehicles that are out there nowadays, especially from the major manufacturers, they're basically a combustion engine vehicle body, and then everything else it's an electric powertrain. So you're still going to have anti-lock brakes, airbags, tire pressure monitors, cruise control, park assist, things like that, body control modules, right? But when we come down here a little bit down to hybrid and electric vehicles, we have a whole section specific to just the EV functions on the vehicle. So instead of having an engine module, we have an electric vehicle module. So if we go into electric vehicle, let's see what we can see. So we see codes, data, functional tests. Under special functions, you can see activate cooling system. Now, that's kind of a big deal. The battery itself on these vehicles has its own cooling system, an electric cooling pump usually, and a specialized coolant that does not conduct electricity, which is also important. So you do have to activate the cooling system. Maybe you need to, when you fill it, drain and refill, you need to do a cooling circuit fill procedure. Let's see, we have control park lock actuator, reset adaptations, self-test mode, set electric vehicle operation mode, so that's within factory mode and non-factory mode, etc. So this is just inside the electric module. Let me back up here a little bit, see what we can get for data. And you can see general data, average vehicles consumption, DC off, engine inputs and outputs, monitor statuses, propulsion D-rate detections. So a wealth of data in here as well. So depending on what you need for whatever function you're trying to do. And let me go back and we'll go into a couple other things. Battery charger control module. So we go in there, once again, codes, data, functional tests. Under special functions, we have a self-test mode in there. It can self-test the battery charger. As far as data, you can see different values, voltage values, temperatures, supply voltages, all sorts of different voltages in here. A lot of data, as we can see, scrolling through there. All right, I think one more we'll do battery energy control module. So once again, codes, data, functional tests. We got that cooling circuit fill procedure again, self-test mode, traction battery state of health, cell supervisory circuit replacement. So any sort of functions that you need to do in order to get through the different diagnoses that you may need to do on these electric vehicles. Okay, so data again gives you maximum state of health, state of charge, etc. You can even go in and see individual cell counts as far as voltages and temperatures as well. So definitely well equipped for working on these electric vehicles.